Before buying an outdoor security camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these cameras look similar and promise the same features, but real users often highlight problems that can make or break your choice. Let's dig into the best budget options to find out what really works.
Product number 1, Wisecam OG. This camera is priced affordably, and what caught my attention is its color night vision feature that really stands out for those late night checks. If you want reliable home monitoring around the clock, this is worth a serious look. The Wisecam OG delivers 1080p HD video, which means you can see details clearly and not just blobs of movement. With color night vision, it captures vibrant images even in low light, so you'll know exactly what's happening outside your home. Plus, it offers two-way audio, letting you communicate with anyone on your property directly through your phone. You can also set motion detection zones, so you're only alerted when there's actual movement where it matters. Now, some users have complained about needing an outdoor adapter for full functionality, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's an understandable trade-off considering the features you're getting. If you can deal with a little extra setup, this camera provides a lot of value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly camera that doesn't sacrifice features. Skip this one if you want a completely plug-and-play device without additional purchases. Now, if that adapter issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Wisecam V4, another solid choice from the same brand. With its 2.5K resolution, this camera really caught my eye for those who want high clarity without breaking the bank. If you want to catch every little detail in your yard, this is worth considering. The 2.5K resolution means you can capture finer details than standard HD, so if something happens, you can get a clear view of faces or license plates even from a distance. Like its predecessor, it also features color night vision and is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring it's tough enough to handle any weather. The built-in siren is a nice touch for scaring off any potential intruders too. However, some users have mentioned that it requires a bit of technical know-how to set up. But honestly, once it's up and running, it's a breeze to use, and the image quality is a huge payoff for that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want superior image quality and are okay with a slightly more complex setup. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler installation process. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility and storage. Product number 3. HiteLerCam 2K Security Camera. Let's talk about the HiteLerCam 2K Security Camera. With the price around $27.98, it's one of the most affordable options out there. What surprised me is its feature set for such a low price. If you want a cost-effective solution with solid performance, this one deserves your attention. This camera offers 2K resolution, meaning you get a sharp image that makes identifying people and objects much easier. It even has a full color night vision mode, which is pretty impressive for the price. One of the standout features is the free cloud storage, so you can access your footage without worrying about subscription fees. Plus, it boasts a long battery life of up to 6 months in standby mode, which is a relief for those who want to avoid constant recharging. On the downside, some users reported issues with connectivity. Here's the thing though, if you set it up properly and have a good Wi-Fi signal, it works great. It's really about ensuring your home network is up to par. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable camera with solid features and lower ongoing costs. Skip this one if you have unstable Wi-Fi or need a camera for high traffic areas. Now, if long battery life caught your eye, wait until you hear about the next one that really excels in that department. Product number 4, AOQE 2K Camera. Priced around $26.99, this one caught my eye for its dual functionality for both indoor and outdoor use. If you want a versatile option that adapts to your needs, you'll want to hear about this. This camera features 2K resolution along with color night vision, which means you're getting great clarity during the day and at night. The two-way audio feature lets you interact with anyone near the camera, making it useful for checking in on pets or family members. Plus, with its IP65 waterproof rating, you don't have to worry about the rain damaging it. However, some users found the setup process to be challenging, but honestly, if you follow the instructions carefully, it's manageable, and the quality you get makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a camera that works well both indoors and outdoors, and you're okay with a slightly tricky setup. Skip this one if you want something that's easier to get going right out of the box. Alright, that was a solid choice. Now let's check out the last product on our list, which might just be the most user-friendly option yet. Product number 5. RealHide 2K UHD Camera. We have the RealHide 2K UHD camera, priced at just $25.17. This one had me intrigued due to its extensive features for such a low cost. If you want an easy-to-use camera with good performance, this is worth considering. With 2K UHD resolution, you'll get crystal clear video quality. The dual-band Wi-Fi capability ensures a stable connection, even in crowded environments, which is essential for reliable monitoring. It also offers free cloud storage and local SD card support, so you never have to worry about losing your footage. The IP66 rating means it can withstand tough weather conditions too. However, there have been some complaints about battery life, especially with heavy usage. But honestly, if you manage your settings well, you can extend its life significantly, making this camera a great option for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, dependable camera with great video quality. Skip this one if you need a camera that can handle constant high-traffic monitoring without a hitch.
We covered the WiseCam OG for budget-conscious users, the WiseCam V4 for those wanting higher clarity, the HIDLR Cam for a great price-to-feature ratio, the AOQE for versatile indoor and outdoor use, and the RealHide for user-friendly functionality. Each has its strengths and some minor flaws, but they all offer solid security solutions without breaking the bank. Choose the one that best fits your specific needs.